gosh. Ooh, stand back, go back. Go behind the tree so you don't see the branches. These are awesome. Oh my gosh, we missed the really good ones though. Let's go back, stand back more. Oh, these are like the best.
These are birds. This is crazy. I've never seen this.
This is like the best bird show I've ever seen in my life. Like, I'm not a bird freak. I don't look at them. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, they're over us.
Look, they're going down by that tree.
They moved over there on that tree.
Just get this guy on. Try to get the tree. Let's go that way. Oh, they're doing stuff again. It's like the Armageddon of the birds. I don't know.
I wonder why they're doing that.
Here, you take it. I want to watch it.
Yeah.
Oh, they're all coming out here.
This is so cool.
That's crazy, huh? Look at that. That's pretty long. Look, they're all going down to that tree, huh? All they can look.
I want to get them when they're making like those really weird blobs. Did you see that?
I got some.
You got
pictures.
some? Really? There's like layers and layers of birds.
Oh my gosh, they're pooping.
Oh my gosh, get in the car. They're pooping, get in the car.